Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Dell 22 series monitor, and now I'm gonna show you how to check your display information, your device information on this device. To do it, you don't need to install any applications on your computer, you just need to use these buttons. So click on the one of these buttons to open the main menu and click on this icon to open settings. Then scroll down to others item on this menu and click on the right button. Then choose display info using this right arrow button. And as you can see here, I have all information about my Dell 22 monitor. I have Dell P2219HC, DisplayPort capability I have 1.2, and currently I have this resolution and this hertz mode. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.